Welcome aboard on a culinary adventure beyond compare. Today, we're going to delve into the art of making the most delicious roasted chicken your taste buds have ever experienced. Fasten your apron strings because this isn't just your regular cooking lesson. This is a gateway to a universe of seasonings, techniques, and culinary lore that will transform your kitchen escapades. Our tale commences with the chicken, a common yet extraordinary bird. With its lean and protein-rich meat, it's no surprise that chicken occupies a distinguished position in the culinary world. Its potential is limitless, making it a staple in kitchens around the globe. However, today our task isn't just to cook a chicken, we're going to roast it to perfection, unlocking a harmony of flavors that would impress even the most critical of food connoisseurs. The craft of roasting chicken is an age-old tradition, a testament to our ancestors' culinary ingenuity that's been passed down from generation to generation. The beauty of this cooking method lies in its simplicity, and yet the end product is truly a gastronomic spectacle, transforming an everyday ingredient into a culinary jewel. Our journey to crafting the ideal roasted chicken begins with choosing the right bird. Opt for a chicken that is plump and firm, with skin free from any blemishes. Remember, the quality of your chicken will greatly affect the taste of your roast, so choose wisely. Next, we'll explore the realm of marinades, filled with a multitude of spices and herbs. Each ingredient has a distinct purpose, contributing layers and complexity to the chicken's flavor profile. The hero of our marinade is the humble garlic with its potent aroma and robust taste. It plays off against the tangy zing of lemon, the earthy notes of rosemary and thyme, and the spicy kick of black pepper. This fusion of flavors results in a marinade that's lively, fragrant, and well-rounded. Then we enter the roasting stage. The marinated chicken is placed in a preheated oven, where it slowly metamorphoses under the gentle heat. The skin turns a beautiful golden brown, crispy on the outside but locking in the moisture within. The succulent meat juxtaposed with the crunchy skin provides a delightful contrast that lingers on your palate. To enhance the taste, we'll periodically baste the chicken with its own juices. This not only enriches the flavor but also contributes to achieving that coveted crispy skin. As the chicken roasts, the fragrances fill your kitchen, setting off an olfactory experience that incites anticipation and hunger. Once the chicken is flawlessly roasted, we set it aside to rest. This allows the juices to permeate throughout the chicken, ensuring every cut is juicy and bursting with flavor. The moment of truth emerges as you slice through the chicken. The knife moves smoothly through the tender meat, and the rich aroma fills the air, signaling a job well done. But our voyage doesn't end here. The roasted chicken is served alongside a collection of vibrant and mouth-watering side dishes. Be it roasted vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, or perhaps a refreshing salad, the choice is left to you. Each accompaniment not only enhances the chicken, but also adds color, texture, and flavor to the entire meal. Finally, it's time for everyone to congregate around the table and partake in this culinary marvel. The joyous chatter around the table is as enriching as the meal itself. The roasted chicken, with its tantalizing aroma and flavors, steals the show. As you relish each morsel, it becomes clear that you have indeed crafted the most flavorful roasted chicken ever. Our gastronomic journey concludes here, but kickstarts new adventures in your kitchen. So there you have it, a timeless recipe that is sure to become a favorite amongst everyone.